Iraq intends to buy T-129 Atak helicopters and Bayraktar TB2 UCAVs from Turkey. The Iraqi Defense Minister Kuma Inad Sadin announced that they reached an agreement to purchase Bayraktar TB2 UCAV and T-129 Atak helicopters from Turkey. The defense minister held discussions with Turkish defense officials during the visit to International Defense Industry Fair, IDEF 2021. A defense exhibition held in Istanbul from August 16 to 20, and covered by Army recognition. Iraq's defense minister indicated that his country intends to buy 12 T-129 Atak helicopters from Turkey. It is said that a consensus was also reached concerning the Bayraktar TB2. The Thai, AgustaWestland T129 Atak is a twin-engine, tandem-seat, multi-role, all-weather attack helicopter based on the Agusta A129 Mangusta platform. The T129 was developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries, TAI, with partner AgustaWestland. The helicopter is designed for advanced attack and reconnaissance missions in hot and high environments and rough geography in both day and night conditions. The Atak program was begun to meet the Turkish Armed Forces requirements for an attack and tactical reconnaissance helicopter. The T-129 is the result of the integration of Turkish-developed avionics, airframe modifications, and weapon systems onto the AgustaWestland A129 airframe, with upgraded engines, transmission and rotor blades. It is in use by the Turkish Army, and is being offered to other services. The T-129 Atak is also used by the Turkish Gendarmerie. The Bayraktar TB2 is a medium-altitude long-endurance, male unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAV, developed, designed, and manufactured by the Turkish company Baykar. The system consists of Bayraktar TB2 armed, UAV platform, ground control station, ground data terminal, remote display terminal, advanced base with generator and trailer modules. Thanks to Baykar's technological accumulation and capabilities, the entire system is produced indigenously. The Bayraktar TB2 capable of conducting intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, ISR, and armed attack missions. The design of the Bayraktar consists of a monocoque fuselage integrating an inverse V-tail structure. The engine is positioned between the tail booms and fuel is stored in bladder tanks. The Bayraktar TB2 has a length of 6.5 meters, a height of 2.2 meters and a wingspan of 12 meters. It has a maximum takeoff weight of 650 kilograms with a maximum payload capacity of 150 kilograms. It can fly at a maximum speed of 120 knots, 222 kilometers per hour, at a maximum altitude of 27,000 feet, 8,230 meters, and has a flight endurance of up to 27 hours.